All right, let's go ahead and talk about how to collect the quotations that we're going to use in your paper. So you should have picked a thesis and created a thesis for your paper where you list 3 reasons that your character is a good leader or is cruel or smart or whatever your reason is for your character. So for each one of those reasons, you need to collect at least 1 quotation from the book that'll back up that point. So you should end up with at least 3 quotations. So I have on here how to do that. So for your first reason, whatever that might be, you need to collect a quotation from the novel that will back that up. There are 2 different ways that you can put these in here. If the quotation is a person speaking, you go ahead and put that person's name at the beginning. So I could have Piggy here or Ralph or whoever's talking. And then I would put says or speaks or whatever verb I want to put there. Then I would go ahead and put a comma. I would put the quotation. Notice that I didn't put a period here. Okay. Then I'm going to put my author's last name, which our author is William Golding. So I'm going to put the author's last name, and then I'm going to put whatever page number I found it on. Now I don't put PG or page or anything like that, or P for page. I just put the number. So whatever page of the book it's on, I'm just going to put Golding and then say or it's on page 45. Okay. Now if you are quoting several parts of dialogue or something, you may have to put enter, just like we've been doing in class with the paragraph editing. When you start new paragraphs, you may have to put those in too. Okay. And if you're quoting a section that already has quotation marks, remember you put double quotation marks around the whole thing, and those parts that are already in quotation marks in your book, you'll put single quotation marks around. Okay. If it's something that's not dialogue, it's just more the narration part, you can go ahead and put our author's name, William Golding writes, and then you put a comma, put your quotation, and again I'm going to put the page number where it is. Notice that I'm not putting the author's last name here again. Okay. So, like I said, you need to look at your first reason and collect a quotation that would back that up. We are going to do the same thing, collect a quotation for the second reason and the third reason. Okay, and then the same document on here where we put the thesis, you need to go ahead and type those quotations in there. If you are looking for a specific quotation about an event and you're having trouble finding it in the book, because that can be hard to do, email me and let me know and I can help you out with finding a specific quotation. If you ask me for when a certain event happened in the book, I can help you find that. So if you're stuck, be sure to let me know. All right. Also be sure to email me if any questions about collecting the quotations.